Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Instacart Batch earning strategies for shoppers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Instacart Batch earning strategies, start by logging into your Instacart Shopper app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the earnings section of the app. Here, you will find an overview of your current earnings and available batches. Next, familiarize yourself with the types of batches available. Understanding the differences between full-service and delivery-only batches is crucial. Now, look for high-paying batches during peak hours. These hours often include weekends and evenings when demand is higher. Enabling notifications will help you stay informed of high-paying batch opportunities. You can set your preferences in the app's notification settings. Consider your geographic area when looking for batches. Batches in densely populated regions often yield higher earnings. Next, focus on optimizing your shopping process. Create a shopping list and familiarize yourself with store layouts. This will save you time and help you complete batches more efficiently. Always check the batch details before accepting. Look for estimated pay and the number of items to ensure it matches your time and effort. Once you accept a batch, communicate clearly with customers. Keeping them updated about any substitutions or delays can lead to better tips. After completing a batch, review your performance. Check the ratings and feedback you receive from customers. Continuously improve based on this feedback to maximize earnings. Finally, stay informed about Instacart promotions and bonuses. These can significantly boost your overall earnings during specific events or days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video